Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich salad recipe ideal as a healthy meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. First, I'm making a healthy salad dressing, and for that, into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 7 to 8 overnight soaked almonds which I have peeled. A small piece of ginger which I'm roughly slicing and adding in. 1 salted amla which I have roughly chopped. I have already shared how to make salted amlas at home. Link will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. If you have access to fresh amla, you can use 1 fresh amla instead of the salted amla. 1/4 of a raw mango which I have roughly chopped. If you don't have access to raw mango, you can use half to 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. 1 green chilli. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Add in 1/4 cup water. Squeezing in half a lemon. Half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Note that the salted amla has little extra salt, so add salt accordingly. Into this I'm adding in a handful of coriander leaves. Note that I'm also adding the stalk of the coriander leaves. I'm roughly slicing the coriander leaves into the chutney grinder. And I'm going to blend this really well. Once nicely blended, pour the salad dressing onto a small glass container, and my super healthy salad dressing is ready. This salad dressing will keep good in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. This is the consistency of the salad dressing. If you want to thin it out, you can adjust water when you are blending this. So add water to adjust your preferred consistency of the salad dressing. I'm heating my kadai with 1 teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil, also known as til oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 1 cup sprouted green moong dal. Give it a quick stir. Adding in half cup green beans, 2 carrots, 1 onion diced, and give this all a good mix. Add in 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Add in a couple of splashes of water, stir well, cover, and allow the vegetables to steam cook on high flame for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. At this stage, the vegetables are steam cooked. Add in half cup capsicum chopped. Give it a good stir. Reduce the flame and cover for about 20 to 30 seconds. 30 seconds later, open the lid. Give it a quick stir. Turn off the flame and transfer the vegetables onto a serving bowl. Drizzle in the salad dressing. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top, a fat pinch of black pepper powder, and my super healthy vegetable salad is ready to serve. An oil-free and healthy salad recipe, perfect to enjoy as a wholesome meal. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 medium-sized cucumber sliced, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 1 medium-sized onion sliced, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 1/3 teaspoon chaat masala. Adding chaat masala is entirely optional, but it will give a subtle Indian flavor to the salad. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. A big fat pinch of kala namak, also known as black salt. I'm using 1 medium-sized avocado in this recipe. Avocado is a good source of potassium and natural healthy fats. The healthy fats in avocado helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Slice the avocado into half. Peel off the skin and slice the avocado into small pieces. Avocados are also a good source of fiber. Squeeze in 1 whole lemon. Lemon will also help to retain the color of the avocados. And now I'm going to give this all a good mix. And lastly, I'm adding in finely chopped fresh coriander leaves and give it a good mix. Transfer the salad into a serving bowl. And lastly, for some gut-friendly healthy probiotics, I'm drizzling in a couple of tablespoons of my vegan curd. I have already shared 4 different vegan curd recipes. Please do check them out. And my super healthy salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this salad recipe and let me know how it turned out. A protein and fiber rich salad recipe, ideal as a filling meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. The detailed video on how to make mixed sprouts at home will be towards the end of this video. So make sure you are watching the video till the very end. So what I have done is I soaked 1 cup of mixed sprouts in hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I strained and added into the bowl. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 of a red capsicum chopped, 1/4 of a green capsicum chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, 1/4 of yellow capsicum chopped, half of an onion finely chopped, 1 medium-sized carrot finely chopped, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed, 1 green chilli finely chopped or as needed, 1 cucumber finely chopped, grating in a small piece of ginger. To make this more nutrient rich, I am adding in 1 salted amla. I have already shared how to make salted amla at home. If amla is in season, you can always use fresh amla instead of salted amla. I am grating in the salted amla. Amla helps to boost your immunity as it is rich in vitamin C. I am squeezing in half a lemon, 1/3 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, half teaspoon chaat masala. Adding chaat masala is entirely optional. For added natural healthy fats, I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. Roasted peanuts will give an amazing crunch along with the healthy fats. Some fresh coriander leaves, black salt as needed, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and give this all a good mix. Once nicely mixed, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup black chickpeas, also known as kala chana, half cup green moong dal, also known as green moong beans, half cup chickpeas, also known as chana. Add in some water and allow this to soak for about 12 hours. I'm doing this process at 8 a.m. in the morning and I'm allowing it to soak till 8 p.m. at night. After 12 hours, I'm rinsing the soaked dals thoroughly and then I'm adding it onto a strainer, and then I'm covering it with a clean, wet cotton napkin and allowing it to rest overnight or for about 12 hours. The next day morning, you can see that the moong dal has sprouted, but the white chana and black chana has not started to sprout. I'm rinsing it under running water thoroughly and then I'm covering it with the wet cotton cloth and allowing it to rest till around 8 p.m. I'll be doing this process, that is rinsing in the morning and at night between a gap of 10 to 12 hours every day. And on the 3rd day, this is how the sprouts look. You can see that it has sprouted and my mixed dal sprouts is ready to use. You can store the sprouts in an airtight container and it will stay good in the refrigerator. And my super healthy protein rich mixed sprout salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy protein rich mixed sprout salad and let me know how it turned out. Today I'm sharing a healthy salad recipe made without added oil. Super healthy, nutrient dense and oil free salad to include in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 1 medium-sized raw papaya, also known as green papaya. So first I'm going to peel the raw papaya. Raw papaya helps to cleanse your body and improves digestion. The enzymes present in raw papaya cleanses your stomach and helps to regulate bowel movements. The enzymes in raw papaya helps in breaking down fats, carbohydrates and protein, hence ideal to include in weight loss diet. It is rich in vitamin A, C, E and B. It is also a good source of magnesium and potassium. The digestive enzymes in green papaya helps to remove toxins from the body, helps to cleanse the intestinal tract and improve digestion. Into my small stone grinder, I'm adding in 3 to 4 cloves of garlic which I have slit, 2 red chilies. You can also use green chilies instead. I'm just roughly breaking the chilies into 2 and adding in, and I'm lightly crushing the chilies and the garlic. Into this I'm adding in a handful of shallots. I'm also crushing the shallots. Adding in a couple of sprigs of coriander leaves, and I'm just tearing the leaves and adding in 3 to 4 fresh mint leaves, and I'm crushing them as well. I'm squeezing in 1 whole lemon. I'm grating in a small piece of ginger, pink Himalayan salt as needed. I also like to add in about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and now my salad dressing is ready, so I'm going to keep this aside. I'll be showing 2 methods to thinly slice the raw papaya. The first method is using a knife. So with my knife I'm just poking it like this, and then I'm thinly slicing with the knife. So you get very thin slices of raw papaya. I'm adding it into the bowl. So this way you can get thinly sliced raw papaya, and you can see how thinly the papaya has been sliced. So this is one method of thinly slicing raw papaya. The next method is using a peeler. So you just need to peel with the peeler and see how thinly the papaya has sliced. See how beautifully the raw papaya has sliced with the peeler. Into this I'm peeling in 1 medium-sized carrot. Adding carrot is entirely optional. Okay, now I have thinly sliced the carrots as well, and with my hand I'm just mixing the carrot and the raw papaya. For some natural sweetness I'm adding in 1 sliced apple. For added crunch and sweetness, I'm adding in a couple of tablespoons of pomegranate seeds, 1 de-seeded tomato thinly sliced. Next, I'm adding in the prepared salad dressing. I'm finely slicing in some coriander leaves, a couple of sprigs of coriander leaves finely sliced, 1 sprig of fresh mint leaves which I'm tearing and adding in. Into the same stone grinder, I'm adding in half cup roasted peanuts. The peanuts are the natural healthy fats in the salads. You need a good source of healthy fat for better assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. And I'm lightly crushing the peanuts. And now the peanuts are lightly crushed. Add the lightly crushed peanuts into the bowl and mix all this really well. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. And once it is nicely mixed, you can transfer it to another bowl and serve and enjoy. Sprinkle a tablespoon of pomegranate seeds on top, some crushed roasted peanuts. And lastly, I'm garnishing it with a sprig of fresh mint leaves. And my super healthy green papaya salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy papaya salad and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.